everyone, it's Peter Mackey here again, and I'm in beautiful downtown Vancouver, BC, and we're at this stunning two-story penthouse suite in the middle of the city in this gorgeous multi-million-dollar condo. We've got a really exciting project here that we're going to work on. We've got Bodak Hyundai film that we're going to be installing, and we're going to make this multi-million-dollar condo look even better than it already is. Come on in and let me show you what we're going to be working on today. Alright, so in this condo there's a total of 3 bathrooms. We're going to be refinishing all of the cabinets in each of the bathrooms. So as you can see, we've got this kind of older, outdated, dark brown finish on the cabinet doors as well as the sides. We're going to bring them back to life and update them with some brushed stainless steel Bodak Hyundai architectural film. This is going to look fabulous, and we're going to do all 3 bathrooms plus the kitchen. Follow me and I'll show you the rest of the condo. Alright, here in the kitchen, this is where we're going to make the biggest transformation. As you can see, we've got these beautiful cabinets, and these are perfect cabinets to wrap. There isn't really any big indents, they're nice and smooth, they're in excellent shape, and they're solid wood cabinets. So these are cabinet doors that would be really costly to change. What we're doing is with the Bodak architectural film is we're going with this stainless effect. And as you can see, we've already done 1 test panel and it looks phenomenal. This is going to look excellent. So here in the kitchen there's a few elements that we've got. We've obviously got all of the doors that we're going to do, all of the sides, we've got all of the drawers. We're also doing the fridge, and this fridge you can see already has the same texture as all the cabinets. So we're going to be wrapping this fridge to match. It's going to look awesome. There's also the bar down here. So there's a mini bar that we're going to be wrapping all of the sides, all the cabinets down here. And we're really going to update and bring this multi-million-dollar condo to the next level. Follow me and we'll go check out another bathroom. Alright, this is the second of the 3rd bathroom that we're going to be doing. And this bathroom is just the main floor powder room, which again, we're going to be redoing all of the cabinet faces, the sides, and we're going to bring this tired look back to life, and it's going to look fantastic. This is the last bathroom that we're going to be doing, and it's the 2nd bedroom ensuite. Again, we've got similar cabinetry that basically we'll be rewrapping, bringing back to life, and updating and finalizing this entire condo. I can't wait for everybody to see the final product because it's going to look amazing. So we're just finished up in this gorgeous 2-level penthouse suite condo in downtown Vancouver. Multi-million-dollar condo. Looks amazing. Some of the cupboards a little bit outdated. We really brought them back to life with the Bodak Hyundai architectural film that we use, that brushed stainless. We've got everything all finished up. It looks outstanding. I want to show everybody just a little glimpse of it, and what we'll do is we'll start up here in the master ensuite to show you what we've done, and then we'll make our way down into the kitchen. Alright, so this is the first aspect that we finished, and this is the master ensuite. I don't know if you remember, but in the video earlier we had this really dark kind of gray wood, and we really brought everything back to life with this brushed stainless. And everything came out great. All of our corners are wrapped really nicely. We've got everything all filled in nicely on the sides. And with this film, what we did was we used a little bit of primer on the edges here, so to really promote amazing adhesion. and these are going to be great for years to come. They're really easy to clean as well, and they're going to be really protected against any strong, harsh chemicals that we do use kind of cleaning throughout on a regular basis. So this really elevated the bathroom to the level that it needs to be. Alright, welcome to the kitchen. This is where the biggest transformation happened for this project. As you can see on the cabinets, they were fairly dark before. It was a dark brown wood cabinet, really excellent cabinet itself, so perfect candidate to wrap. But what we did was, by bringing in the stainless look, the brushed stainless finish, we're able to really brighten up this kitchen and bring it back to life and really make it look up to date. Especially in this multi-million-dollar condo, we want to make sure that everything has a really high-end, classy finish, which we've definitely achieved with this look with the brushed stainless. One of the cool things that we were actually able to do was on the fridge. The fridge had panels that had the older, outdated wood panels. And again, we were able to come in, wrap them with the brushed stainless, and really make it look as though this was the original finish. The last aspect of the kitchen here was we wrapped the mini bar. So this mini bar, it's just a small aspect of the kitchen itself, but we were able to bring this back to life, wrap it all in the brushed stainless, and really make it look fantastic. The last two items I want to quickly show everybody is the main floor powder room, as well as the second bathroom ensuite. So in here, again, we just brought these older cabinets back to life, and it's pretty amazing how much brighter it is in here. By just wrapping these with the brushed stainless, we're getting a really good reflection of light and really opening up the space in this small powder room. And again, we've got that brushed, elegant finish, which looks great, and it's going to hold up and it'll stand against the test of time. We've got one last bathroom that I want to show you, and that's the second bedroom ensuite, and it's just this way. In here again, you can see we've wrapped everything with the brushed stainless, and you can really see here we've got a lot of light coming in from outside, and you're getting that amazing reflection of bright light. It just really brightens up this washroom, really makes it look a lot bigger, and makes it look like it's just really back, brand new, and current time. I hope everybody enjoyed this project as much as we did. We loved it. We got the opportunity to wrap an amazing kitchen, 3 bathrooms in this unbelievable penthouse in downtown Vancouver, BC. And as you can see, with the Bodak Hyundai film, we were able to use this amazing brushed stainless material that has a really high-end, elegant finish that the homeowners here chose to use in this multi-million-dollar condo. This is a really elegant finish, and there's a lot of different elegant finishes of the films that there are, and this is one example of where we were able to really elevate an amazing property by using film. So I hope everybody really enjoyed this video, and if you have any questions or comments, please post them. Please let us know if you have any questions about any of the material that we had, any of the processes that we had in place, or if there's anything we didn't cover that you were curious about, please let us know. We'll be more than happy to answer any of those questions or comments that you may have. And remember, follow us on Facebook, Instagram, like this video, and also set up reminders, because we're doing lots of videos, and we're going to have a lot of new content coming out soon, so that this way you'll get an alert whenever we're finished. I hope that everyone enjoyed this, and I look forward to chatting with you guys again in our next video.